Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove this text into something like this. But first, considering that the channel is being growing, I want to appreciate every following, and if you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the like in this video. So for that, let's start. So we will select here on top the lasso tool. Now we can click and drag around the text we want to remove. In this case, we will use this in the center. We can do a rough selection like this. And now let's go to select, color range, and we will switch here the color range to highlights. And you can see that Photoshop will do the selection here during the color white, because it's the difference between the background and the foreground. Here it's okay, and we now have the selection. We notice that we have these parts already selected, but we can take that out afterwards. So now let's go again to select, modify, and expand, and we can have 2 pixels so that the selection will not be directly close to the white. We will have some smooth around our text. So let's add 2 pixels, and now go to edit, fill, and we will use the content aware that by using the AI of Photoshop, they will select different colors around our text to fill this white space. So let's hit OK and wait a little bit, and that's it. Now we can take out our selection, and as you can see, Photoshop has done a pretty well job. We have here some problems in the image that we mentioned before, and we can use the spot healing brush here by hitting J and click and drag, and let's see what Photoshop can do for us. And as you can see, it's pretty much cool, the effect done here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give your like. If you're not yet subscribed, please also subscribe to the channel, and we will see it in another video. Thank you.